Right now we're on the way over to Sano to pick up the 4-rotor for the last time. As you guys know, we're in the process of turning the Corvette into a rotary engine vehicle, and it's at perfect time because the 4-rotor has actually made a major milestone. So it's not like I'm trying to juggle tons of open-ended projects. The 4-rotor is waiting on Abel right now for the motor. There's other things I can do, but that project's gonna have to pause until I wait for my results from other people. We're gonna do what we do best and start another project and work over the Corvette. So right now we get the 4-rotor in, we got the 3-rotor, which is ultimately going to get repaired as we go on. With budget, be appropriate with that. But first things first, I'm the realist. Home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play.
Rob, I'm trying to edit music, man.
Or seldom is heard a discouraging word.
Rob, shut up, dude.
All day.
I'm trying to edit here, man.
I gave you a sick beat to work from. I'm not gonna lie, it's like a plug for U-Haul, but I love this truck. It's not the truck that you saw people doing donuts in at those street takedowns. You ever see those where they do it with the U-Haul truck?
You're just turning into a country guy.
No, dude, I'm talking about like inner city, like the streetcar like takeovers. Where they like block off the corner of the street.
What's next, Rob? You want to lift it?
That's not country at all. Don't embarrass me, okay? I like how you're trying to accuse me of being country when I'm talking about literally a inner city street takeover thing, and you're like, country. I'm like, no.
All right. Really good.
So, here's what we got. Made the shaft, I made everything we need. So this shaft is made out of 17.4, this U-joint.
Okay.
This one's not. So I can't weld these together.
Gotcha.
So we need to find this brand 17.4 U-joint for this side.
Understand.
So that I can weld them together, because otherwise it just does that. This is magnetic stainless, this isn't.
Okay, that's what bothered me is when I ordered it, it said stainless on there, and I'm like, but it didn't have the same sheen. I'm like,
They're both stainless, they're just two different stainlesses. Okay. You can stick a magnet to this one, you can't stick it to that one. Besides that, we're good to go.
yeah. So ultimately we'll.
It'll still turn, but when we get to hold this here,
Yeah.
it'll be like that.
Yeah. It'll keep it clear.
Yeah, once we actually build a firewall and
Well, we got a truck to put all the other parts in. We got the trailer for this. God, what a weird looking engine bay.
yeah. Nothing like the shirt.
Yeah. I wore this shirt to the. We just unveiled the video yesterday.
I saw it. I love it.
I started the shirt with the straw with
I
the.
love it.
Yeah. We'll pull the fenders off, make our lives a little bit easier.
Yeah.
It looks longer when you take the fender off.
Yeah.
It looks a lot longer.
We're gonna make some room and get the car maneuvered, but it is the full chassis going up on that trailer, so we're gonna see how much it likes being towed. We got a lot to tow it to. We got a lot to hook it to. It's actually got a really nice turbo radius.
Yeah.
Oh, this is good. Yeah.
Next thing.
That's right. That's so true.
It's not an RX-7.
No, it's not. I love when people like try. They're like on some of the posts. They're like, "That's not RX-7 anymore," and I'll be like, "I never said it was." Like,
yeah.
I mean, let you guys argue that one out. Like he said, it's not going to do it justice that right now you're seeing the chassis, but once it all gets covered in and the rest of the car gets put back on, you're going to think of it as just a RX-7 with a body kit when it's anything but that. That was supposed to hook. It's a rental. It's cool, right? Yeah. Scared the shit out of me. It was like for a brief moment, it was just suspended there. I'm like, how far is it on your side?
You're turn a little bit left. Yeah, you're like pretty even, I guess.
I did last time. It's gonna rub. It's the maximum width of almost every trailer. Like I said, I can do the double. That's how I got it on here originally. The double straps and tighten one, tighten another one, tighten another one. Let's see if Sano has like a something else to help us expedite this process, like a forklift of magic or something. I'm gonna look pretty pathetic doing it this way, but it's simple physics. This is what I had to do last time when it was me and Kevin, because he's only let you go so far, so you have to like let the excess back out, pull the slack, back forth, back forth. I'm sure once Corey comes out, he's gonna look at it and go, dude, I have a winch. This is an off-road truck, please.
He's right there behind you.
Hey Corey, I'm sure you have a better solution than me, but this is how I got it on here last time. So I just have a double. You guys have like a winch or something?
Nothing we can really hook this on, but I probably have enough guys to push it.
Okay.
Let me get them. Ready?
Okay.
We hit the chassis?
Yeah.
Dude, we're gonna have to lift this thing up.
Alright, hey, strap the front, won't go anywhere. Matt's got these 224.
Yeah.
Just like barely hook it, dude. Right there.
You guys are gonna have to keep pressure on the car. Don't let it roll back.
Okay.
I'm gonna shut the door. Okay. Ready, Rob? That's all I got. I'm gonna tip it forward.
You know what I did to get it off the first time from Mabel's to my shop? Used a jack with like massive 4x4 and then just rolled it backwards and then dropped the jack down.
Yeah.
Took the it was
Scooted it.
it was pretty
Sounds kind of sketchy.
yeah, very sketch.
That was a little scary.
You liked it.
I liked it. What do you mean? I'm gonna walk away slowly.
This is the insurance piece right here. Unlike a normal car, this car is still in experimental phase, and so the front wheels, which makes sense to lock it to the front wheels, they're only held on with the upper and lower control arms, and everything's just gently set in there. So I want to make sure that the frame is attached to the trailer, not just the wheels. Can't trust the wheels just yet. If you want to help me load the rest of this, we just got a lot of small stuff left to do. We'll just load the rest of that in, call it a night. Okay, the final step. There we go. That shuts like a real car too. It's getting closer. It's getting so close. There's so much more to be done to this thing, but my God, we have a real chassis. This chassis has not existed before. Not even the Unicorn. Nothing has been even remotely like this. Man of my word. Everything I have in my control, I'm making happen. And this is the completion of one major, major phase.